Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by triaging the device for signs that matter. First, look at battery and mobile data usage to spot sudden drains. Those reveal background spyware. Then open Settings and inspect installed apps and permissions. Revoke any admin or accessibility rights you don't recognize because malware often hides there. For iPhone, check configuration profiles, and for Android, look for signs of rooting. Once done, note suspicious app names and force stop them. Make sure you don't install anything new yet. Next, contain and inspect. Run a full scan with a trusted mobile security app to identify known threats. The scan can remove or quarantine many items. Then check your online accounts, logins, authorized devices, and recent activity to see if attackers used your phone to access email or services. Sign out suspicious sessions. Change all important passwords from a separate, clean device and enable two-factor authentication, so even compromised credentials. To finish, backup essential photos and contacts only, avoiding full app backups that might reintroduce malware. Use a trusted computer or cloud. Then perform a factory reset to erase persistent threats, and reinstall apps manually from official app stores so you control what returns. After restore, monitor battery and data for 48-72 hours to confirm cleanliness. If the breach continues or you can't reset, contact your carrier to check SIM or provisioning and seek professional support. This troubleshooting tip saves time and prevents repeated compromise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.